Hey guys, so this is the dress in a nutshell. This is the front of the dress. And if you guys can see, I already then pleated this part of the dress and I got that popping. And this is the back of the dress, guys. This is the tube dress, guys. I seen Gabrielle Union wearing a dress similar to this and I had to make it. So I wanted to show you guys this steps. Now what I'm finna do is sandwich this together. I'm finna put this dress together and then we'll thread the elastic over the top and get ready to close this baby off. So now I'm going to sandwich this together, put it together, and then I'll show you guys the next step. Or matter of fact, guys, I'm going to close this dress off. Let me just show you what it's going to look like, okay? It's going to get closed. And then up here at the top, guys, I'm going to put elastic up here to make it stay up. And down there, I'm just going to hem it, guys. And I'll show you guys the final project. Thank you, guys, for always watching. God bless. Bye-bye. Hey, guys, it's your girl, A. Marie from A. Marie Lace Wigs. I don't think this light is doing it justice, but this is my gorgeous green, beautiful tube dress, guys, that I made. And I had got inspired by Gabrielle Union, but Gabrielle Union had on a pantsuit. I'm actually going to do the screenshot, guys, at the end of this video, and I'm going to show you guys. But like I say, guys, what I like to do, I like to see other designers and they make stuff, and then I like to go in, I like to make my version. I get inspiration and I make it, guys. And this is lovely. So if you're going to, come here. Just say hi back. Say hi. You want to sit back every time I'm doing a video, you want to act a fool, okay? Let mama finish. Mama trying to work, okay? Let me work the runway. So, guys, that is what I try to bring to you guys. Like, I want you guys to know anything you put your mind to, you can do it. But this is an awesome, gorgeous piece, guys. Like, I would wear it to something like this, like to a wedding. Like going to a wedding, I will pop up with this. And then I got some shoes. They're like brown and green. But I'm trying to think what I might do is, guys, I might find some shoes from Plato's Closet and spray the shoes, guys, and spray them like a green, like how y'all see me do with the gold, and then take some pretty nice black sparkling Swarovski crystals or something, guys, or a nice centerpiece, or see, y'all see how I drape this fabric like this? To drape the fabric over the back of the shoe, guys, and drape it over the front of the toe and have a little toe out. Wow, cold. So that's kind of what I want to do, guys. But this is that beautiful dress. And this is will be evening wear. Thank you guys for watching. God bless, guys. Have an awesome day. Bye-bye. Okay, guys, here are a couple still shots of this dress. Had a lot of fun making this dress. I think it is lovely. Lovely, beautiful dress. So, guys, if you guys want to make that dress, go ahead and make some beautiful dresses, guys. So just wanted to kind of show you guys the dress. And this is Gabrielle Union. I got inspired by her, guys. But mine's is not pants. It is a dress. Thank you guys for watching. God bless. Bye-bye.